In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Beehiiv branding from your platform. Now, if you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. That way, you won't miss any of our future tips and tricks. So let's dive right in. If you're using Beehiiv for your newsletters or content creation, you might have noticed that they automatically add their branding to your site. While it's great to have a recognizable platform, you might want to give your content a more personalized touch. So, whether you're looking to establish a stronger personal brand or simply want to clean up your interface a bit, I'm here to walk you through the steps of removing that branding. First, let's start with the basics. You'll need to log in to your Beehiiv account. If you're not logged in yet, go ahead and do that now. Once you're in, look for the dashboard where you manage your newsletters and other content. This is your central hub for everything related to your Beehiiv usage. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the Settings section. Typically, this can be found in the side menu, often represented by a gear icon. Click on that to enter the settings area. This is where you'll find various options that allow you to customize your Beehiiv experience. Now, when you're in the settings menu, look for the section regarding branding, or sometimes labeled as appearance or design. The exact wording might change as the platform gets updated, but it should be fairly intuitive. In this section, you'll see options related to how your content appears to your audience. Here, keep an eye out for anything mentioning branding, footer, or customization. You'll want to access that section because this is where you can manage the Beehiiv branding that appears on your site. Depending on your subscription tier with Beehiiv, you may have different levels of customization available to you. Now, let's talk about the actual removal of the branding. If you're on a paid plan that allows for branding removal, there should be an option to toggle or disable the Beehiiv branding. This might be phrased as remove branding or hide Beehiiv branding. When you see that option, go ahead and click it. Depending on the platform's design, you might also find options to replace the branding with your logo or preferred text. This is an excellent opportunity to make your site feel uniquely yours. Once you've made those selections, don't forget to save your changes. This step is crucial. If you miss saving, all your hard work might go straight out the window. So take a moment to locate the Save button, which is usually at the bottom of the settings menu, and click it. After that, you're going to want to check how your site looks with the new changes. You can do this by previewing your page or by navigating to your content as a normal visitor would. This step ensures that everything looks the way you want it to, without that Beehiiv branding distracting from your content. And there you have it. You've successfully removed the Beehiiv branding from your site. Take a moment to appreciate your hard work and enjoy the cleaner, more professional look of your content. Feel free to play around with any additional personalization options you may have uncovered while you are in the settings. If you have any questions about this process or need further clarification on any step, drop a comment below. I'm here to help. And if this video helped you at all, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like the video. Thanks for watching and good luck with your branding.